Greetings, my friends. I want to tell you about our sale that we're having. It's 20% off on everything in the store from Black Friday through Cyber Monday, and I hope you'll stop by and see us. You're also invited to craft with us every week on Crafting Live with Pandora and Elaina. My daughter and I get together with all of our Facebook friends and we make projects. We demonstrate stuff from the store, or we just do things that are requested of us, and we would love to have you join us. That's weekly on Facebook at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and you'll find a link to that down in the description box. We also carry some new kits that are more convenient for you, UV kits with everything included, and of course our new rhinestones and lots of other stuff you want to see too. So stop in. I hope you like what you see, and thank you for all your support. Bye-bye.